saying. Don't sound so crazy now, do they?
Well, how the hell did it get here?
Well, how the hell should I know? I heard this crash and the damn thing was there. USS Salvage.
Dispatch, we're gonna need some serious backup. Call the National Guard, call the Navy too. There is a World War II destroyer on the runway.
Salinger, we're getting this thing. The phase generator's malfunction.
Late nights messing up my sleep, so I'm flustered. Taking out aggression with my pen because I trust it. Fretting, trying to get myself a lamb color custard. Came in from hanging by his chain, click bang, feeling rage, feeling fire in my brain, feeling sane. And it's only feel a flame, 45 from my brain, praying more, please fail, no glory.